After years of using a open Kendon fold-up trailer, I bought a used enclosed trailer. I wanted to just go through how the trailer is set up for hauling. It's particularly set up to be flexible. I have over 30 bikes. In this case, what you're seeing is a Pitbull TRS setup for the Super Duke GT. You'll notice it's mounted into Unistrut with well nuts. That allows me to move the mount forward, backwards. There are some extra tracks so they can go side to side as well. The other piece is that I use E Track, and I use E Track chocks. You see one stationary or regular fixed one, and then you see a Condor style E Track adapter plate. This allows me to move it side to side. You can mount the chock to a different point in the E Track adapter plate to move the chock fore and aft from that position. And this particular chock is actually a Condor clone. They're available for about 80 bucks on eBay and Amazon. So one of the things that took me quite a bit of time is I hate rolling over basically E Track because it just provides resistance, makes it harder to roll around trailer. So what I've done is deck the trailer so that the E Track is basically flush with the floor, and then the other piece is the Unistrut is also flush with the floor. What you see is on the left, because they're just well nuts in the Unistrut, I have the ability to put in little eye pieces, so if they need extra tie down points for the back, I can move those around. And the track has been set up so that the bikes can be mounted more forward in the trailer, they can be mounted backwards in the trailer, they can really be mounted in all sorts of configurations. I'm pretty sure this bike will easily fit 3 bikes in this trailer. I think probably with a certain combination of bikes, it'd be pretty easy to fit 4 in. So I thought I'd just show this to show you what you can do to make a trailer flexible as well as easy to tie down into. Hope you enjoyed the video.